App crashing when calling the Python26 library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. Before we dive into the Python26 library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Python26 library, the Python 2.6 runtime core. It manages the unmanaged execution of Python scripts and bytecode within host applications. It facilitates the data link between scripted logic and the underlying OS kernel manifests, commonly used in older specialized automation tools. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The best way to fix this is to reinstall the official python.org. Head to the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run the installers to replace the missing file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Python26 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Installing an unverified version of Python26 library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Python26 library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Python26 library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.